Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today is going to be super new for me because I'm going to be body swapping. So my Latinista that I have here that I did get on sale, the sales are real guys. Walmart has clearances, Walgreens, CVS. If you can find toys, please do it. At any rate, let me get back to the video. I'm going to swap out my Latinista doll that I just got on clearance for the Made to Move body that I did get on sale after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to start and unbox the doll here, as you can see, and then we're going to get right into it. So does anyone have an easier way to open up Barbie packages? The Latinista packaging wasn't as difficult, but the Barbie packaging, I'm trying to open it without destroying the box because I do like to recycle the packaging, especially like the little backdrops and things of that nature. So if anybody has any ideas, just let me know in the comments down below. So here is the Latinista doll. She's absolutely beautiful. Her name is Lola. Okay, so Latinistas are produced by Purpose Toys, and on the packaging it does say Lola is from South Florida. She's a talented design student and an aspiring entrepreneur. She used her education and her unique design skills to transform her family's traditional bridal business into a successful global online fashion business. So I do love her little cute little outfit, the little crop top and the skirt with the mesh on the bottom, and she has black boots, and she also has these beautiful hot pink earrings. So now I'm going to get the Made to Move doll, the green top, and then open that packaging up so that way I can now swap the bodies out. Again, the struggle. You can see at the bottom that I ripped the box. So now that I'm finished getting all the rubber bands off the doll, I'm going to grab both of the dolls, put them in a plastic bag, then put them in a cup with boiling hot water. And then I am going to leave them in there about 30 to 40 seconds. The Latinista's doll head is really hard and firm, so I did have to leave her in the water a little bit longer than the Barbie. So here I am adding more hot water to the cup because the Latinista is just not working, and finally she's free and on the Barbie, and she looks beautiful. It's not really 100% a good match, but it's the doll that I have and the one that would be closest to her skin tone, so I'm going to use it. And her hair was really soft and it really wasn't messed up, but I did go ahead and do a hot rinse on her just to get her all nice and ready. And now I'm going to put her back on her original outfit to see how that looks. And here she is. She looks beautiful. I'm sorry it did not show me pulling off the head of the dolls. I was really scared. I thought I was going to break the neck peg on both of them. Not really so much the Barbie, but on the Latinista in particular. So I did it off camera, but it got done, and I'm glad that it happened, and she looks amazing. And this is how she looks from head to toe. She fits the outfit beautifully, so it is a good match. Okay, so for my next hack that I'm going to try, I am going to pierce the ears of my Barbie Looks doll here. So she didn't have any pierced ears, so I don't think it's hard, but I am going to attempt to do that. And it's also recommended to use regular earrings rather than the Barbie's ones. I got these at Burlington Coat Factory. They were clearance for $1, so I'm going to use these earrings once I pierce her ear. Now, what you want to do is grab a tack. That's what I'm going to use. And I have this cute pink one here, and let's get it done. So you grab the doll, and then you just push it into the doll's ear, and then you kind of wiggle it around. And once you do that, just like I said, wiggle it around, and then you'll be able to insert an earring into the ear, and it should be fine, like this. So this was much easier. Here is my beautiful Barbie Looks doll with her ears pierced, and it was super easy to do. Any doll that needs their ears pierced, I am going to be doing them from now on. It wasn't hard at all.
OMG, look at me with my newly pierced ears. Don't I look cute, guys?
All right, so I couldn't close this video out without showing you a deal I found at Walgreens. These were $1. The Kylie Bratz figures were $1. So run, if you have a Walgreens, go see if you have them. I didn't find any more, but at any rate, I'm gonna open up these boxes and see the dolls that we got for $1. Okay, so let's just open it right up. And the packaging, the plastic on the little box or trapezoid is not that difficult to remove. I mean, it's easier than those fashion balls or those little mini balls. All right, so let's see. In this very first bag, we do get a Kylie doll with one of her outfits on there. Here's an up-close personal look at the doll. All right, so in the next bag we get, I guess this is Kylie's dog. It looks like a greyhound, a specialty greyhound dog, I think. And here is a close look at this cute little dog. Okay, so let's open up the other box with the mini Kylie Bratz figure inside to see what we get. And I forgot to show you the collector's guide. Here it is. It looks like a poster with Kylie and her Bratz doll. And on the back, you see all the dolls you're able to collect and the accessories, if you can call a pet an accessory, but maybe they do. And now we'll open up the next box. And then the very first packaging, we're going to see that we get a doll. And I did think that it was a duplicate, but it's not. I guess Kylie likes to wear a lot of black. And in the next bag, we have the same dog. On the collector's guide, it says his name is Norman. So I am going to open up one of the dolls to see how compatible they are. I mean, I'm going to use them for dolls for my dolls. So it's pretty cute. It's a good little size, and that's Norman. Can't get over how cute this dog is. He's so cute. And as you can see, these make great dolls for my dolls. So it is a good little buy. Thank you for joining me today. It was a lot of fun doing the Barbie hacks, especially the ear piercing. I really got a lot of kick out of that. That was amazing. At any rate, please, 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 if you enjoyed today's content, please give me a big thumbs up. If no more, I mean, come on, for that Walgreens deal, $1 for the Bratz dolls. Come on, guys. That was freaking amazing. Like, seriously, $1. I can't believe it was only $1. No, but seriously, I appreciate all your support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and tune in for more. We're going to have more unboxings, more sales, and I am going to be doing some DIYs very, very soon. Thank you and bye.